Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Fix It Felix. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2004 Volkswagen Jetta. It's really simple. You just have to remove these 4 screws right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh man, I dropped it. It is your cabin air filter. Okay, there's these clips that's holding the air filter. Just push down and take off the air filter. It's hard to do it with one hand, so let me see if I can do it with. Okay, there. We got one side and we got the other side. There. So that's pretty much how to remove the cabin air filter. So just put the new one back in and just follow the same instructions backwards and put this back, put the 4 screws and put this back too. Yes. So alright guys, thanks for watching. This was just a video showing you how to replace the cabin air filter on a 04 Volkswagen Jetta. Please comment, subscribe. I hope this video helped you, and as always, peace.